What's the meaning of clunky? Clunky. Clunky.
Clunky. Clunky. Clunky is an adjective used to describe something that is awkwardly bulky, heavy, or difficult to use due to its poorly designed structure or outdated technology. The term often implies a lack of refinement or elegance in the design, resulting in a cumbersome and inefficient product. For example, an old computer with a slow processor and limited memory could be described as clunky, or a large piece of furniture that is difficult to move around due to its weight and size might also be considered clunky.